today on this Fan Dabby Dozy episode I'm going to show you an in-depth guide on how to put up angle beads. There's a couple of ways to put up angle beads for different situations, and there is a couple of different situations here. So I'll start off by how to put them up. Well, how to cut them, sorry. So what you want to be doing is you want to be starting off by cutting them like this. So you cut one end like that, and you cut one end like that. So then it looks like this. Now the reason you want to be doing that is for this reason, because they'll match up like this. Okay? Now if you have them flapping, not this way, but if you have them going straight like that, they flap all over the place for when you put them, when you plaster into them. So you want them to match up like this. But what I'll do is I'll show you that bit in a minute. So basically, if you want to, got two sides that are the same, which I have here, I've got one here and one there. All you do is you measure one up, you measure this side up here, which is measured up, got the cuts where I want them to be so I know where they're going to land and everything. Happy days. Then what you do is you come over to this side here and see if it lands exactly the same. And if it lands exactly the same, what you want to do is this. You want to get your angle bead that you need, which is here. Put your angle bead on there, on top of each other like so. And your eagle bead so, you can see angle bead on top. Marry it up to there like so. Once you've done that, cut there, cut here, and then cut your top bits off here, and there you go, you've got two exactly the same size. That's a little tip for you. So now we've got these bits on the same size, we've got two ways of doing it. You've got clout nails, which are these here, galvanised clout nails, which you can hammer home. You can do it that way. Or you've got this here, which is a nail, not a nail gun, or a staple gun, sorry, that's the word I was looking for. But these are more for plasterboarding, but we'll see how we get on and I'll show you how it's done. So, nothing difficult about this. All you do is you get your stapler and you've got a line in between there and in between there. You just line the stapler up and you just, there we go, that's gone right in there. That's like so. That's how easy it is. I've already put this on ready so I can show you. Now a clout nail, right, it's one of these galvanised clout nail, and all you do is you just find the place you want to put it. There's a hole here, round about there, in your hole, and just tap hole. There you go. Dead easy, and that's how you put them on. Nothing more to it. Dead simple. So this is where it gets a bit technical if you can't do that. So I'm going to show you that now. So let's get cracked on. So I don't know if you can see very much on camera. I'm going to show you a different way of doing this. Now up here, it's brittle. There's nothing I can do about it. If I start hammering no nails in there, it's going to knock everything up. So a little tip for you, I've got it mixed up some plaster, basically, some stiff plaster. Try and get this off. Some stiff plaster. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it up with stiff plaster, and I'm going to show you. And then what I'm going to do, just before I start plastering, I'll show you that it's properly gone off and it's all what you need to be able to do the job, get the job done, if you know what I mean. So I've got this sticker off now. That's that sorted. So this is how stiff the plaster is. Look at that. You'll never be able to use that. So what I've gone and done is I just get a little bit and put a bit here, like so, in there. Now what I will have to do is I'll have to get a spirit level as well. I'll have to spirit level this off, but that's alright. And I'm short by that much, and this is 2.4, that I thought it would fit with the 2.4, so, but is what it is. So I'll have to patch that up, but for now, gives you the right idea of what I'm going to do. So, put 40 dollops on. Now the key is to get this splurting out all over the place, and then what you do is after that's happened is you just patch it off with your trowel, which I'll show you in a minute. I hope you can see with the light. So put a few dollops on, like so. Right, then what you do is this, is you get your where you need it, and then do this, put this up here, like so. And then I just put this on here like that. Now it's just a case of getting your trowel, and all these bits that are splattered out here, just take them off. Get your spirit level. So I've got to get let's see how level you are, and that. That's spot on. So there, I'm happy with that. Right, that's up. Oh. That's it really, so that's everything really. So I'm going to show you that I have plastered over that before I start, and then I'll end the video there. So you let that go off for a bit, go have a cup of tea, do some SBR and whatever. But another tip for you, don't put any SBR or PVA or anything on there, or blue grit or anything, because you want that to go off. So apart from that, I'll activate this up and I'll show you what I've done. See you in a sec. So there's 3 ways to get angle beads up. Some without nails, with nails and with staples, and they're the 3 ways I know anyway. So I'd just like to turn around after that and say thanks very much for watching. If you can't get in your heart to subscribe, that would be absolutely brilliant. And basically I'd just like to say thanks for watching again, and hope to see you in the next one. Take care.